How to fix laptop battery not charging even when plugged in. What is up everybody? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this issue. So let's get right into the video. The first thing you have to do is open up your settings menu. So go ahead and tap on the search bar and then search for settings. And once you land on the settings page, you're going to have to find your troubleshooter. In order to do that, head over to System tab first on the left side of your screen. And if you're on Windows 10, it might be a bit different, but the settings is the same. So just go ahead and scroll down until you find Troubleshoot. Go ahead and tap on it. And then here you have an option for Other Troubleshooter. So just go ahead and click on this. You'll see your most frequent troubleshooter right here, and then on the other section, if you have battery shown right here, what you're going to do is just click on the run button and it will automatically run the troubleshooter and fix the issue if there is any. This is the first thing that you can do. And the other thing that you need to do is simply go ahead and open up your device manager. Search for device manager down below and then hit enter. Once you open up your device manager, you can see your batteries right here. Click on this drop down. There are two batteries. The first one is AC adapter and the second one is ACPI compliant control. So go ahead and right click on it and make sure that your driver is up to date. Search automatically for drivers, and if it says best driver is already installed, you should be good to go. Do the same for both, and then you should be good to go. After that, you could also try to uninstall this device and then restart your PC. And when you restart your PC, the drivers will be automatically downloaded again. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.